Prezidente Filipina husu nasaun membru ASEAN sira atu hametin unidade na kooperasaun rejionál hodi enfrenta situasaun internasional nebe la estável.
Iha abertura cimeira ASEAN badalahat nulu resin walu iha Cebu, Filipina ho tema Navigating Our Future Together. Prezidente Filipina Ferdinand Marcos Jr. destaca conflito Médio Oriente nebe afeta ba ekonomia mundial inclui região ASEAN. Nune Prezidente Filipina alerta ba nasaun membru ASEAN hotu atu continua hamutuk hodi garante dame, estabilidade ekonomia no segurança povo sira iha região ne. Líder nemos destaca importância inovação tecnologia no inteligência artificial hodi hasai resiliência ASEAN no responde ba mudança climática no desafio economia global.
Anchored on the theme, navigating our future together. Ladies and gentlemen, we once more find ourselves here in Cebu at a defining moment in our shared journey. As we gather then for an important milestone, so do we stand together today to demonstrate ASEAN's capacity to respond with unity, with wisdom, with resolve, at a time when our region is once again faced with profound uncertainty. For we meet at a time of considerable challenge. Across our region and beyond, nations continue to navigate an increasingly complex global environment. The increasingly volatile situation in the Middle East has impacted our region, challenging us to remain agile in the face of the uncertainties which threaten lifestyles, livelihoods, and lives. Our theme of navigating our future together has always held true for us, but now, more than ever, it is a principle that we must continue to share, an idea we must continue to embrace. If there is one lesson ASEAN has learned over the decades, it is that difficult times do not divide us. For ASEAN challenges present us with opportunities that have further strengthened our resolve to work more closely, to listen more carefully, and to act more purposefully. This summit gathering is evidence of that commitment. It reflects our shared understanding that especially in moments of difficulty, engagement remains essential. That when circumstances are challenging, partnership is, more than ever, indispensable. And that even when the future appears uncertain, hope remains the responsibility of leadership. It is in that spirit that I warmly welcome all of you, reminded of the significance of our gathering. For ASEAN has always drawn its strength not from uniformity, but from unity. So as we begin our work today, let our discussions be guided by wisdom, openness, and our enduring commitment to one another. Aligned with the Philippines' 3 Ps, peace and security anchors, prosperity corridors, and people empowerment, our discussions today will chart our course as we navigate our future together. Once again, I thank you for your presence and welcome you to the 48th ASEAN Summit.
Cimeira ASEAN tinang naisay hanesan mos momento histórico ba Timor-Leste tamba Timor-Leste participa dahulu kia Cimeira ASEAN. Hafoin oficialmente adere nudar membru pleno ASEAN badasan ulu resin ida iha fulan Outubro tinan rihun rua ruan ulu resin 5. Romualdo Neves, Jemen.